Hello everyone. What I'm selling is this very nice attachment. I'm not sure. I believe I removed this part from an optic equipment, but right away could be great for a mini mill or mini lathe to hold a tool. Let me tell you why. First of all, in the back and the bottom, this is not metal with metal contact. They have some tips made from, I don't know, this looks to be very hard nylon or Teflon. You see this one here is where it's just for this slide, and then in the other ones has two more. I'm use a slide just for test only. This is a slide that I want to use to demonstrate. This is not included in the sale. What I'm selling is the black attachment. And notice, if I put him in here and I tied it, actually this too is not a metal, is a really nice and smooth translation. Actually this had a spring inside. You see how it can move? Okay, so this part in here, I think it's a metric. This part here have exactly 46 millimeters. 46 millimeters, but if we take the screw all the way out, you have a room for another 5 to 6 millimeters. So if you want this piece, you have to measure your mini mill, slide or lathe and have no more than 50 in order that you can use this attachment. So anyway, I'm going to insert again, and as soon as I start to tight it, it let me move, but at a certain point I